Hello everyone, I heartily welcome you all to the Legal Success Square. Today we are going to discuss about the legal vacancies. So तीन वैकेंसीज निकले हैं, अलग अलग पोस्ट है. सो आई लेटिंग यू नो. पहला वैकेंसीज किसने निकाला है? इन्होंने निकाला है. इसका क्या पोस्ट है? लीगल मैनेजर का पोस्ट है. सो लेट्स सी. एज बताया गया है यहाँ पे अप टू 40 ईयर्स, रिलैक्सेबल इन डिजर्विंग केसेस. ओके. और यहाँ पे है ना कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बेसिस जॉब है, ये अपने को जानना है. विद द मंथली रेम्यूनरेशन कितना है? 60,000 फॉर अ पीरियड ऑफ 3 years and further extendable by 2 years subject to review of performance, obviously we all know. So qualification यहाँ पे क्या मांगा गया है? क्वालिफिकेशन डिग्री इन लॉ फ्रॉम अ रिकॉग्नाइज्ड यूनिवर्सिटी, नेशनल और इंटरनेशनल. और डिज़ायरेबल ये भी है कि मास्टर्स डिग्री भी हो सकता है इन कॉर्पोरेट मैरीटाइम लॉ फ्रॉम अ रिकॉग्नाइज्ड नेशनल और इंटरनेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी. हियर इट्स आस्किंग फॉर द experience even, that is 5 years work experience in legal wing of corporates, and desirable also you can check it. So basically this is a contractual job which this port trust is demanding for. It is a legal manager post. It is contract basis, and the number of post over here is only one. Okay. And you have to apply this, see I am writing over here, you have to apply this by 22 November 2021. Okay. So maximum age for this particular post is 40 years, so you have to remember this, and moreover this is the last date, so kindly remember it. So we are going into the next vacancies, next legal vacancies. Let's see. It is Madhya Pradesh. Let's go to that. It's asking for the Madhya Pradesh Metro Rail Corporation Limited, and the post here being the legal manager. Yeah, this is also the recruitment is based for the legal manager itself. So let's see that law. Basically we have to see the law sections. So here the number of posts being one only. In this see all those things which I am discussing right now, I will be sharing the gist driven what are the questions and most important questions which usually asked in the law fraternity and the competitive examination, that also I will be sharing. First I'm letting you know all those. See here it's written in point 5. Manager legal, number of posts being one, and pay scale also here it's written, it's 60,000 and extendable up to 1,80,000. Age limit being 50 years. Okay. It is a type of appointment being contract or deputation basis, and qualification asking for the LLB degree from a government recognized university or institute. And here also like Madhya Pradesh Metro Rail, whatever, like they release the vacancies only, the number of posts being one, and they are also asking for the experience, so you have to check this also. So this you can apply this particular examination. If you all want to appear, you can apply by December 12th 2021. Okay. And you have to apply at, see I am writing here the mail ID even, mpmetrorail.com. okay, so remember it. Now we are going into the next vacancies. The next vacancies, let's see. The next vacancy has been released by the National Aluminium Company Limited. What they are asking for, they have released the post for see I am letting you know, there are 2 or 4 posts, 4 vacancies are there. Let's see that. It's of civil deputy, yeah, here it's law. Okay. So they are asking for the post being the senior manager and deputy manager. Okay. The number of posts for the deputy manager being 2, and for the senior manager also it's 2. So here you can see the bifurcation even. Okay. Now let's see the that qualification. Obviously you all must be knowing that LLB is there, BLLB, and along with that, in addition to qualifying degree, we have to be experienced in the particular sectors, and this these are written, the criteria has been written over here. I'll be sharing that. And for the deputy manager, 5 years experience is must, and maximum age being the 35 years. You can apply this particular examination. If you want to give this particular examination, you can apply by 7 December 2021. Okay, and you can apply, even I'm giving you the site, even apply at www.nalcoindia.com. So you can visualize, you can see, you can have a glance once a year also. See, scale of pay is also written over here. So that what can I do, I can share all this stuffs in my legal success square channel, and I will be sharing the criteria, the questions which they ask for. And basically government based examinations are like it is a benefit for you all, because they provide lots of perks and allowances, so it will make your future very bright. So thank you everyone, keep learning.